Good morning, Basic Fam. Back at it again with this Xrunner. So, when we dropped it, we might have put the block in pretty crooked because he got his alignment and the guy said we gotta redo it. Well, when you went to go get your alignment, what did the guy say exactly?
It's the blocks, unless it's been in a very bad accident. One of the pins in the blocks is off. Unless it's been fucked up.
Based off of your bed or just based off of... How is he basing it? Looking at the drop. Blocks.
Everything was lifted up on the racks. And he was underneath and he was looking at it and he told me most likely it's just one of the pins is out or slightly off.
And of course, seeing as how we live in Hawaii, it was literally sunny all day and only now it decides to start drizzling. Hopefully the weather holds up. Cross your fingers. Jason. So Logan came up with a solution of us putting it on a different way than how we did the first time. And then hopefully it'll guarantee that it'll go in straight. But who knows, it might already be in straight and his truck is just fucked up from not notching it. We don't know, we'll see. We're also waiting for Micah because his exhaust is just gone. It's just gone. So he had to cut it off. And what, are we making a new one? Or
I have no clue.
Stay tuned for that.
I think we're putting it on or we're just taking off the old one completely.
Okay. If you're new to the channel, this is Logan's truck. And that's mine. I don't think I'll ever get over this sight. Love these trucks. Based off the looks of it, it looks like it's in there. But Logan says the U-bolts are angled differently on each side. So his driver's side goes straight down and the other side is kind of at an angle. So we put it on kind of crooked. That's what we gotta fix. So we come to the conclusion that we're just not gonna mess with this side, and those U-bolts on the driver's side are more crooked than this one. So we're just gonna go fix that side U-bolts and hopefully that'll do the job. Pretty sure. So we got the U-bolts and the blocks out.
So it has to move this way a little more. And that guy, that guy too had to be tweaked. So I think I have to just loosen the whole thing up and do it. Might be the best way to do it. Just leave it like this. And then once that's off, we'll get this lined up a little better and then do it. Oh, you
collected some water. Alright, we straightened out the axle. Now we're just putting the bolts and the U-bolts and the blocks in. Look who's here! Yeah! So we were stuck out here for a good 2 hours trying to get this thing right.
And then as soon as he shows up, he knows what to do and it's easy. I guess we're not master mechanics yet.
Yep, gotta get on his master mechanic YouTube license. Alright, just gotta throw the tires on and then work on Micah's car. So what happened to your exhaust?
The bolt came off, so it's like hanging.
Dragging. Is it dragging?
It's dragging. I came down over here on the street and it was like hitting the middle. It's on this side. It came off over here.
So before we fixed his axle, while he was driving on a straight, his truck was, if this is the front, his truck was driving like this.
How am I lined up? Oh, sorry.
On a straight. It looked like he was drifting. So now I think we fixed his axle and it should drive straight. Alright, so we just took Logan's truck out on a test drive and it looks like it's driving straight. Feels good. Got the job successfully, whatever you call it.
The bottom control arm was where I'm maxed out on my truck.
Here comes the rain again. Look at this, you got new meat. Fuckers are fat. But also got them show tires.
Race tires?
Race tires.
Show tires.
Show tires.
Race tires. Show tires.
How's the stretch on those show tires?
Like that.
Slam them. Stay tuned for that. So these guys are going to be entering the show along with Josh. And we're gonna be doing some show prepping, but that'll be in the next vlog. Today we're just gonna fix some minor stuff.
I just lick them. Yeah.
Yeah, we need bricks.
Nope, you need bricks, now you're stuck. Nah, no need bricks. No need.
I hate them bricks.
So, since he's just missing a bolt,
One bolt.
he went through his bolt bucket. Bolt bucket.
Boat bucket.
Bolt or bolt?
Bolt.
Boto?
Okay. Okay. 0 to 100 all the time.
Bolts? You said bolts, so...
Bolts.
What did I say?
Bolts.
It goes from bolts to boto.
Fucking guy.
Oh, this is the bad one.
Yeah, that looks tiny too.
I didn't think it was this bad underneath.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but his exhaust pipe is totaled.
Has a little squirrely piggy tail on it at the end.
How does that even happen?
I don't know. It must have been a mean pothole.
I hit it. That was the thing. I hit it, and then it was like dangling on the freeway.
So it got twisted.
So then I was like, fuck. Okay.
It literally looks like someone grabbed his exhaust pipe and just fucking ripped it and twisted it in all kind of
punched it.
angles.
Yeah, so that's what happened. Like, I went home and I was just like, fuck it.
So you did that?
And
Oh, you ripped it on.
I pulled it, but it was fucked up.
I have my... Fuck, I don't have my bandsaw. It's at work.
So they're hard at work, but it's starting to storm.
Oh god, I'm getting more wet.
I'm hiding in a truck. Oh, you're so black, Micah.
Dude, I'm white.
Look at this. Where is he?
Everything is black.
Oh, right when the rain finished blessing us, we got the
Wanna help me out?
exhaust finished too.
Drop them or...
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, sorry, man, you're way. They go, yeah, let's see if this can happen. Oh!
No. Afterwards you're gonna go, oh, my back. Oh, I can't get home.
This man just, we don't need no jack. We don't need no jack. Put the jack away. So, got rid of the exhaust rasp. Sounds better.
Tuck it down.
Tuck it in the waistband.
I gotta tuck it down. Sorry.
Alright, so that was it for today. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next vlogs coming up. We
Next
got
vlog is gonna probably be the prep vlogs or
Tyler's.
the member. The one
show off a member.
The one lifted guy in the team.
Nico's stash truck.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that sexy big beast.
Is he taking it?
Yeah, he has it.
I saw him cleaning it up.
No,
It's here.
Like, I know it's here. I've seen it, but is he taking it?
It's his, yeah.
Because remember he gave away his 4Runner to his uncle?
So he got rid of the 4Runner, so now he has the Honda, the bike, and the lifted truck.
The Honda he still gotta get running.
Yeah, but that's more content. So he's got his checklist of things to do. He has a small checklist because he's basically already show ready.
But
But
I gotta wait for parts from my sponsor, Six Speed Official.
and then we're also trying to possibly maybe talk to the guys hosting the show and see if we can get his car wrapped in time, but that might not happen. We'll see.
Maybe. I'm getting extra money. Gotta do some side jobs. Hustle. Yeah.
Wrap.
What
Well,
color?
as always, guys, thanks for tuning in.
So dark.
Oh, I
Can't see.
You're black, bro.
I'm bright because of my shirt.
I'm like a good caramel.
Let's just hold this to my face.
He is there. I promise you he's there. We'll see you guys on the next one. Shorts.
Peace.
Bye.
Oh my god, Ronnie.